Hello my students, good morning. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel, and Miss Rina will get you to learn our subject today, maths, and our topic is about factors. And before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Let's pray. Amen. Our topic today is factors. Find the factors of 6. Okay, look at the pictures of star. There are 6 stars in one line. So, 6 is equal to 1 times 6. And the second picture is 2 lines and there are 6 stars. 6 is equal to times 3. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. For another example, is 5 a factor of 16? Okay, we know that 5 is a factor of 16 or not when we have dividing. Ya, ketika kita membagikan 16 dengan 5. So, from here we know that when we divide 16 by 5, we have the quotients is 3 and we have the remainder is 1. Because there is a remainder when we divide 16 by 5 and 16 cannot be divided exactly by 5, so 5 is not a factor of 16. In this case, let us take the number 12. To begin with, let us find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as a product. The first pair is 1 times 12 is equal 12. And the second pair is 2 times 6 is equal 12. And the third pair is 3 times 4 is equal 12. For the first pair, okay, 12 divided by 1. And the question is 12. And we have 0 for remainder. And when 12 divided by 12, the question is 1 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. And for the second pair, 2 times 6 is equal 12. Okay, when 12 divided by 2, we have the question is 6. And the remainder is 0. And when 12 divided by 6, the question is 2 and the remainder is 0. So, 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. And the third pair is 3 times 4 is equal 12. When we divide 12 by 3, we have the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. And when 12 is divided by 4, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. So, 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. From the three pairs, we can conclude that factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, or factors are numbers you can multiply together to get the given number. There are 4 points that you have to remember. Okay, The first point is 1 is a factor of every number. Jadi, 1 itu adalah faktor dari semua bilangan apapun. 1 times 8 is 8. And 1 time any number is equal to number itself. Jika kita kalikan 1 dengan angka berapapun, hasilnya adalah angka itu sendiri. Ya, seperti 1 dikali 8 sama dengan 8. Semua bilangan yang dikali dengan 1, hasilnya adalah bilangan itu sendiri. And 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Any number divided by 1 is equal to number itself. Jadi, setiap bilangan apapun jika dibagi 1, hasilnya adalah bilangan itu sendiri. And for the second point that you have to remember is every number is a vector of itself. Ya, jadi setiap bilangan itu adalah faktor dari bilangan itu sendiri. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. So, any number times 1 is equal to number itself. Oke, ini yang bersama dengan poin yang pertama tadi. Bilangan berapapun jika dikalikan dengan 1, hasilnya adalah bilangan itu sendiri. And 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Jadi ketika kamu bagikan suatu bilangan dengan bilangan itu sendiri, hasilnya akan selalu menjadi 1. The third point that you have to remember, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Ya, jadi setiap faktor dari suatu bilangan itu selalu lebih kecil atau sama dengan bilangan itu sendiri. For example, factors of 9 is 1, 3, and 9. Okay, 1 times 9 equal to 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, 1 is less than 9. 3 is less than 9. And 9 is equal to 9. Ya, 1 lebih kecil dari 9, 3 lebih kecil dari 9, dan 9 sama dengan 9. Okay? I hope you can remember and understand from the third point. And the fourth point that you have to remember is every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Setiap bilangan kecuali angka 1, setidaknya paling sedikit memiliki 2 faktor, ya, yaitu 1 dan bilangan itu sendiri. For example, factors of 5 are 1 and 5 because 1 times 5 is equal to 5. And now, let's find all the factors of 27. We look for factors by dividing. Ya, when 27 dividing by 1 equal 27. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay, or 1 times 27 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27. So the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Okay, after watching this video, do workbook page 25 until 26. That's all our lesson for today, and before we close our lesson, let's pray together. Let's pray. Amen. Okay, my students, that's all our lesson, and thank you for your kind attention. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless you. Shalom.